Gates open. Dead up and racing. Prince Isaiah. Moving up by the rail is Crystal's Pride. Then comes Sing Lorky. Brave Lorky saw the outside. And American Ruler is running at the tail of the field. About to pass the last 800. Now we have runner number 2, Kashmira, takes the lead over Prince Isaiah in second. Then racing in third is Crystal's Pride. Moving up now the outside is Seeing Lorky and Brave Lorky. And a long way back to American Ruler as they enter to the last 450. Prince Isaiah by about 4 lengths now. Then dropping back in second is Kashmira. Moving up is Seeing Lorky. Brave Lorky is on the outside. Crystal's Pride with 150 to go. Prince Isaiah now by about 7 lengths over Seeing Lorky. And finally, Prince Isaiah. Seeing Lorky, Brave Lorky, and Crystal's Pride, Kashmira, American Ruler.
Okay, crossing the wire.